Hello everyone, I am Suneeta Singha and you're watching my channel Maths with Suneeta Singha, and today I'm going to teach a new lesson from class 7, chapter 2, fractions and decimals. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new notification. So let's get started with our lesson. The first question from exercise 1.2. I'm going to solve exercise 1.2, some questions. The first question is solve and you're given some numbers here. I'll start with 1 here. See 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so 2 minus 3 by 5, how can we subtract 3 by 5 from 2? Because it is a fraction, you cannot directly subtract. So what you have to do is write in the next line 2 minus 3 by 5. So it has to be a fraction to subtract. So there is nothing below 2. So you will write 2 by 1, which is same as 2. 2 by 1 is 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay. So to subtract or add two numbers, in case of fractions, the denominator has to be same. So what we have to do is, here the denominator is 1 and here is 5, which is not same. So what we have to do is we have to take the LCM of 1 and 5, which is 5. 5, 1, 1. So the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. So first we have to do is LCM equals to 5. Okay, now first because the denominator is not same, so we'll make it same. First we'll do for this fraction 2 by 1 equals to, the denominator has to be 5. So 1 into how much is 5? 1 into 5. So if the denominator is multiplied by 5, the numerator has also to be multiplied by 5. So it is 2 into 5. 1 into 5 and 2 into 5, which is 2 5s are 10 and 1 5s are 5. Now you see you got the denominator as 5. And now we'll do for 3 by 5. 3 by 5 equals to, the denominator has to be 5, so it is very easy. 5 into 1 is 5. So in the numerator we have to multiply by the same number which we have multiplied in the denominator, which is 1. So 5 into 1 is 3 into 1, which is 3 by 5. See, for 2 by 1 you got 10 by 5, and for 3 by 5 you got 3 by 5. The denominator is same here. Now what we have to do is minus this 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5, which is 10 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So 2 by 1 is 10 by 5 and 3 by 5 is 3 by 5 itself. Now you see the denominator is same. We will write the denominator as common 5 and the numerator will write as 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7 by 5. So isn't it very easy? Now we'll solve number 2. Number 2 is 4 plus 7 by 8. It is also in the same manner. 4, we do not have anything in the denominator, so we will make it as, first we will write the question as it is 4 plus 7 by 8 equals to 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. So now we have to make the denominator same, and for that we have to take out LCM of 1 and 8. But the LCM of 1 is very easy. LCM is 8 itself. 1 and any other number, LCM is the number itself. Now we'll first do for this 4 by 1, just like the previous one. 1 into how many times is 8? 1 into 8. So in the numerator it will be 4 into 8 equals to 4 8 is 32 and 1 8 is 8. Now we will do for 7 by 8. 7 by 8. 8 into how much is 8? It is easy. 8 into 1 and 7 into 1. It is 7 by 8. Now for 4 by 1, which is 4, we got the answer is 32 by 8, and for 7 by 8, we got the answer is 7 by 8. Now we will sum up these two, because 4 plus 7 by 8, that's why 32 by 8 plus 7 by 8. 32 by 8 plus 7 by 8. The denominator is same, so we'll write this number, and 32 plus 7, 40. No, 39 by 8. So this is the answer of number 2. Let's now do number 3. The third one is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. So here we have to take out the LCM of 5 and 7. 5 and 7, 5 1 is 5, and 7 1 is 7 each, which is 5 into 7 is 35. So first we'll write the question as it is. Now LCM is 35. So we'll first solve for this. 3 by 5 equals to 5 into how much is 35? 5 into 7. So 3 into 7 here. 3 sevens are 21. 5 sevens are 35. For 2 by 7 equals to 7 into how much is 35? 7 5 are 35. So 2 into 5, which is 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. Now 3 by 5 we got as 21 by 35, and 2 by 7 as 10 by 35. Now we'll sum up these two. 21 by 35 plus 10 by 35. We'll write the denominator as it is 35 and 21 plus 10. It is 31 by 35. So now we'll do after number 3, it is number 4. The next number 4 is 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. So first we'll write the question as it is. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. So LCM of 11 and 15 is, remember we are taking LCM of the denominator to make the denominator equal. So this is 11 is 11 into 1 and 15, and 3 1 3 5 are 15, 5 1 and 1. So 11 3s are 33, and 33 into 5 is 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 16. So the LCM of this two is 165. Now we'll do for this 9 by 11. 11 into how much is 165? 11 ones are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 5 and 5, 11 5s are 55. So 11, 1, 5, 15. 11, 15 ja 165. Now 9 into 15. Now it is 165. And here 9 5s are 45. 9 1s are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And for this is 4 by 15. So 15 into 11 is 165, and 4 into 11 is 4 11s are 44 by 165. Now for this we got this, and for this we got 44 by 65. Now we'll subtract these two numbers. 135 by 165 minus 44 by 165, which is the denominator will remain same, and 135 minus 44, which is 165. 5 minus 4 1, 13 minus 4 11, No, it is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 91 by 165. Now let's do number 5. Number 5 is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. We will write 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. So LCM of 2, 5 and 10 is 10, 5, 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 and 2 1s are 2. 5, 1, 1, 1. So 2 5s are 10. So the LCM of this 3 is 10. Now we'll do for this first. 7 by 10 equals to 10 into 1 is 10. 7 into 1. 7 by 10. Now 2 by 5. 5 into how much is 10? 5 2s are. So the numerator will also be by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. Now 3 by 2. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. So we will sum up this 3, which is this 3. 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by 10 equals to, the denominator is 10, 7 plus 4 plus 15. Then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And see, it is you can convert it in the lowest form to 13 is 26 to 5 is 10. You can write either 13 by 5 or you can also convert it into in the mixed fraction if you like. Otherwise, this is also the correct answer. Number 6 is 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. So first what we have to do here is 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. So first we'll convert into a fraction. 3 2 just 6, 7 8, 8 by 3 plus 2 3 just 6, 7. Will multiply this 2 and sum up this 2. Like 3 2 just 6 and sum up this 2, 7 8. In the same way 2 3 just 6 and 7. 7 by 2. Now LCM of this 2 is, it is 3 2 just 6 itself is the LCM of this 2. Now for this we have 8 by 3 equals to 3 into 2 is 6, 8 into 2. 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6. Now for this we have 7 by 2 equals to 2 into 3 is 6. So numerator 7 into 3, which is 21 and 6. Now this is sum, so we'll sum up this 2. 16 by 6 plus 21 by 6 equals to, denominator will remain same, 16 plus 21, which is 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 1 3, 37 by 6. You can keep as it is or you can convert into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means you can divide this 2 number, 37 by 6, 6 6 are 36 and remainder is 7 minus 6 1. So we'll write in, you can write it also in this form, which is 6 remainder is 1, you'll keep the remainder 1 and divided by 6. 6 6 are 36, 37 by 6. See, 37 by 6. In either way also the answer is right. Now we'll do the last one, which is the last one of the question number 1 is this question. So we'll do in the same way like question number 6. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. First we'll convert into proper or improper fraction. 2 8s are 16 and 1 is 17 by 2 minus 8 3s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29 by 8. Now LCM of this 2, 2 by 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2, 1, 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So LCM is 8. Now 17 by 2 equals to 2 into how much is 8? 4. 17 into 4 equals to 8. 4 7s are 28. 4 1s are 4, 5, 6. 17 4 are 68. Next is 29 by 8. 8 into 1. 29 into 1, which is 29 by 8. Now 17 by 2 is 68 by 8 and 29 by 8 is 29 by 8 itself. So 68 by 8 minus 29 by 8 equals to 8, and 68 minus 29. 8 and 9, 9, 18 minus 9 is 9, and 5 minus 2 is 3. 39 by 8 is the answer. So here question number 1 is completed here. Now we'll solve question number 2. So question number 2 is arrange the following in descending order. We have to arrange these three numbers in descending order. So we don't know which one is the greatest number now. Descending order means from greater to smaller. So we don't know because it is a fraction. So what we have to do is, in the same way like the previous one, we have to make the denominator same. So what we have to do is, we have to take the LCM of this 3 to 9, 3 and 21. We cannot do it 2 because it's not an even number, any one of the numbers here. So we'll start with 3. 3. 3 is a 9. 3 1 is a 3. 3 7 is a 21. So here 3 1 1 7 7 1. 3 3 is a 9. 9 7 is a 63. So LCM we got as 63. Okay. LCM is 63. So first we'll do for this number 1, 2 by 9. 9 into how much is 63? 9 7s are 63. So 2 into 7. Numerator will also be same like the denominator. 2 7s are 14 and 9 7s are 9 7s are 63. Now we'll do for this 2 by 3. 3 into how much is 63? 3 2 just 6, 3 1 just 3. 3 into 21 is 63. So 2 into 21. 2 into 3 into 21 is 63. 2 into 21 is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. It is 42 by 63. The next one is 8 by 21. 21 into 3. You can look it from here also. 3 into 21, then 21 into 3. 8 into 3, which is 8 3s are 24 and 21 3s are 63. Now you see the denominator is same. So if the denominator is same, then in the numerator you have to see the highest number among these three. So which is the highest number? One is 14, one is 42 and one is 24. So this is the highest number. We have to write the biggest number here. 42 by 63 in the descending order. The next is 24 by 63. 24 by 63. And the next one is 14 by 63. 42 by 3 is 2 by 3. highest number. Next is 24, which is 8 by 21, and next is 2 by 9. Now you have understood how to find the descending order. We'll do in the same way for this. First we'll find the LCM of these three, 5, 7 and 10. 5, 7, 10. 2, 5, 7. 2 5s are 10. Next is 5, 1, 7, 1. And 7, 1, 1, 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 7s are 70. So the LCM is 70. So first we'll do for this 1 by 5 equals to 5 into how much is 70? 5 1 is 5, 6 7, 2 0, 5 4 is 20. So 5 14 is 70. So 1 into 14. 1 into 14 is 14. 5 14 is 70. 3 by 7. Now this for this 7 into how much is 10? 70. 3 into 10. 3 times 30, 7 times 70. Now for this 7 by 10. 10 into 770, 7 into 7, which is 49, 70. Now we'll see which is the greatest number among these three. See here, denominator is same. So leave the denominator. Now you see the numerator. If the denominator is same, then you'll see which is the number in the numerator, which is the biggest or smallest. So 14, 30 and 49, this is the greatest number. So it is 49 by 70, which is the biggest number. Then we have 30, which is 30 by 70, and then we have 14 by 70. Now see here, 49 by 70 is 7 by 10. This is 3 by 7, and this is 1 by 5. So now you see, it's been clear to you how to arrange the numbers in descending order. We'll do now question number 3. See, question number 3 is, in a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? So in a magic square, this is a magic square where the sum of the numbers in each row, this is one row, this is another row, and this is another row, and along the diagonals is same. So in this row, the sum of the numbers will be same. In this row also, the sum of the numbers will be same, and this, and in each column also, this is one column, this is another column, and this is another column. In each column and along the diagonals, and it will be same in this way also. This is called a diagonal. 8 in this way, it will also be same. So is this a magic square? How we will know if after summing up these three, if we get the answer is same, then this is a magic square. So first we'll see for this 4 by 11, first row, 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. First we'll see the denominator is same, so it is very easy to sum up. So 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer is 15. So this is 15 in the first row. Now for the second row, 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. It is also, I think, 11 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 in the second row, which is same like the first row. And in the third row, 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11, which is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, which is 15 by 11 in the third row. Now we can see that first, second and third row, the answer is same. Now we will see if the answer is same along the columns. So first is 4 by 11, 3 by 11, 11 plus 8 by 11, which is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 by 11, which is in the first column. Now second column, 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11, which is 15 by 11 in the second column. Now in the third column, 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11, which is also 15 by 11 in the third column. So we can see that in the first row, second row, third row, first column, second column and third column, the sum of the numbers is equal. So we can say that it is a magic square. In the diagonals also you see 8, 5 and 2. 8 plus, in this way we'll see 5 by 11 plus 2 by 11. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 by 11 in this diagonal, and in this way also we will see 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11, which is also 15 by 11. So we can say that this is this a magic square? So yes, this is a magic square. So I hope this is clear to you. Let's do question number 4. Okay, now see question number 4. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So what is the shape is rectangle. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle is? Perimeter of rectangle is sum of all the four sides, which is 2 into length plus breadth, which is 2 length and 2 breadth. 2 length because these two sides are same and these two sides are same. That's why 2 into length plus breadth. Now we can find, applying this formula 2 into length plus breadth, for finding the perimeter of this rectangular sheet, we will write perimeter of the rectangular sheet equals to 2 into length plus breadth equals to 2 into, what is length here? 12 1 by 2 centimeter plus breadth is, which is the width, it is 10 2 by 3 centimeters. So together we can write centimeter of both these two equals to 2 into, here we'll convert into improper fraction, 12 2s are 24, 25, 25 by 2 plus 3 times are 30, 32, 32 by 3. Again in the same way like the previous one which you have done in number 1 and number 2, you find the LCM of these two. LCM is 5. So how much do you multiply it by 2 gets 5? No, it's 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 into how much is 6? 3. So in the numerator it will also be 25 into 3. 25 into 3 is 75. And here I have done the shortcut method. Now 3 into how much is 6? 3 into 2. So in the numerator we also multiply by 2. 32 into 2, 64. Now 2 into 75 plus 64 we will do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 13, which is 2 into, if it is in bracket, it is like into 2 into 139 by 6. 2 3s are 6, which is 139 by 3. So the answer is 139 by 3. You can convert into mixed fraction or you can keep as it is. Both the answer will be correct. Now let's move on to question number 4. See question number 5. Find the perimeters of triangle ABE, the rectangle BCDE in this figure whose perimeter is greater. So in this diagram, two figures are given. One is the triangle and the other is the rectangle. We have to find the perimeters of this triangle and the rectangle, and after finding out, we'll see whose perimeter is greater. So first let us find out the perimeter of the triangle, or yes, triangle. So what is the formula for perimeter of a triangle? It is sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides, which is side AB plus BE plus AE. So what is AB? 5 by 2 centimeter plus BE is 2, 3 by 4 centimeter plus AE is 3, 3 by 5. Together as a whole, we'll write the centimeter of all the 3. Now, like the previous one, we'll convert into mixed fraction in the form of fraction. 5 by 2 plus 4 to the 8, 11 by 4 plus 5 3 is 15, 18 by 5 whole of the centimeter. Now 2, 4 by 5, we find the LCM which one we have done in number 1, 2, 4 and 5. The LCM is 20. 2 into how much is 20? 2 tens are, so numerator into 10. 50 plus 4 into how much the 20? 4 5s are, and 11 into 5 is, you don't need to write like this, it's just for your understanding. I am multiplying this way. 4 5s are, 11 5s are, 55. Now 5 into 4 ja, 18 4 ja, 8 4s are 32, 7 whole of centimeter. Now it is 20 here and 7. So you divide this 177 by 20. You write your centimeter. You can keep as it is or you can divide. So 20 divided by 177 divided by 20 is 21 is 20. 2 to 40. 20 into 8 is 160. Remainder 7 and 1. So it is 20 17 by 8. So the answer is 20 17 by 8 centimeter, which you see, you will multiply these two and sum of these two, you'll get this answer. So we found the perimeter of triangle ABE as 20 17 by 8. 20 17 by 8 centimeter. Now we will find out the perimeter of the rectangle BCDE. The perimeter of rectangle BCDE. In the previous one we have done perimeter of the rectangle, which is 2 into length plus breadth, which is 2 into what is length. Length is this one, which is 7 by 6 centimeter. It's not given here, but if it is 7 by 6 centimeter, this will also be 7 by 6 centimeter. 7 by 6 plus what is breadth here. This is length and this is breadth. This is breadth. It is 2 or equal, so 2 3 by 4 centimeter. Together we'll write whole centimeter. 2 into 7 by 6 plus 4 to the 8 and 11 by 4 centimeter, which is 2 into 6 and 4. The LCM is 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 6 into 2 is 12, so 7 into 2, 14. Plus 4 into 3 is 12, 11 into 3 is 33 centimeter. You'll keep on writing the centimeter, don't forget to write the sign. Now it is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3, 447 by 12, which is 2 into 47 by 12. 2 6 is 12, it is 47 by 6 centimeter. So the perimeter of triangle ABE you got as 2017 by 8, and of the rectangle you got as 47 6 by 6 centimeter. Now you see whose perimeter is greater. So for the triangle you got 2017 by 8, okay, which is 20 into 8 is 160 plus 17 7 7 1 177 by 8, and this one is 47. Rectangle is 47 by 6. Which is greater? How you can see, in the previous one we have seen in decreasing order we have to make the denominator same, then we can see which one is greater. So 6 and 8, first we'll find out the LCM of 6 and 8. 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 3, 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So the LCM is 24. Now we will see for this first of the triangle 177 by 8, okay. 8 into how much is 24? 8 3s are, so 177 into 3. So 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21, 22, 23, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. So this is the answer now of that rectangle. We'll see 47 by 6. Okay, 47 by 6, which is 6 into how much is 24? 6 4s are 24, 47 into 4 equals to 24, and this is 4 7s are 28, 4 4 is 16, 17, 18, 188 centimeter. Now see, the denominator is same. Now you can recognize which one is greater. Obviously this is greater, 531, which is 177 by 8, which is of the rectangle. So the perimeter So you write the perimeter of the triangle is greater. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's solve question number 6. So question number 6 is Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. So Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. Let us assume this as a frame and Salil wants to put a picture in the frame. Okay. The picture is 7 by 5 centimeter wide. So given in the question is the picture is 7 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit this picture, to fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 by 10 centimeter wide, which means that the picture is 7 by 5 centimeter wide and the size of the frame is 7 by 10 centimeter wide, which means the picture cannot be more than this, means the size of the picture is bigger than the frame which has to be trimmed. How much should the picture be trimmed? So the size of the picture is bigger than the frame, so we have to trim the picture, which means we have to subtract this from this. So width of the picture which is bigger than the frame is, see, the picture is 7 by 5 centimeter and width of the frame is 7 by 10 centimeter, which means the picture is bigger than the frame which has to be trimmed. So portion to be trimmed equals to, we'll subtract this from this 7 by 5 minus 7 by 10 centimeter. 5 7s are 35, 38 by 5 minus 10 7s are 70, 73 by 10 centimeter. Now we'll find out the LCM like the previous one. 10 is the LCM of this two. 5 into 2, 38 into 2. 2 8s are 16, 3 is 6, 7. Minus 10 into 1, 73 into 1, which is 73, which is 3 by 10. So the portion to be trimmed is 3 by 10 of the picture. Then it can be fitted in the frame. I hope this is clear to you. Let's do question number 7 now. See, question number 7 is Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share? By how much? This is the apple and Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of this apple. 3 by 5, we exactly don't know how much is of this apple and the remaining part is eaten by her brother. So we will see how much part of the apple is Somu. It will see what is the fraction of this remaining part and what is the how much part of the apple is Somu ate. Who had the larger share? Now we'll see we'll find out the fraction of this part of the apple and we will see which fraction is greater. This is greater or this is greater and by how much. So if any one of them is greater, then we'll see how much is the greater part. So the apple is part of the Ritu 8 equals to 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5 of the whole apple, which is one apple. Now part of the apple Somu 8. Somu 8 equals to how much is the part Somu 8 is the whole apple minus the part Ritu 8. It will be the subtraction of these two. Whole apple minus the part Ritu 8 will be the portion which Somu has eaten. So we'll solve in the same manner like the previous one. 1 minus 3 by 5 is equals to, if there is nothing in the denominator, it is 1 minus 3 by 5. So LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into, so in the numerator also 1 into 5, 5. Now 5 into how much is 1? 5 1 is 5, 3 1 is 3, minus 3. Okay. So 5 minus 3 is 2 by 5. Sorry, it is 5. So this is the part of the apple which Somu has eaten. Ritu ate 3 by 5 and Somu ate 2 by 5. So Ritu's portion is 3 by 5 and Somu's portion is 2 by 5. Now we'll see which one is greater among these two. Okay. So this is very easy to find out which one is greater, because like this sum you have done in the previous numbers. Now Ritu 3 by 5. Now how much part of the apple is Somu? We have got this answer and we'll find out this answer. Who had the larger share? Somu 2 by 5. So the denominator is same. So no need to find out LCM and C. You'll directly find the answer in the numerator itself if the denominator is same. So what is in the numerator? 1 is 2 and 1 is 3, which is, you can directly say that this is greater than this, which is the part eaten by Ritu. So we will write who had the larger share? Ritu had the larger share. Okay. Now by how much? By how much? How we will know? We'll subtract this to 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, which is, you don't need to do LCM because the denominator is same and 3 minus 2 is 1. So who had the larger share? Ritu had the larger share by 1 by 5. So I hope this question is clear to you. Everything has been explained very properly, like how much of part of the apple is Somu ate. We have find out the part of the apple Somu had eaten, then who had the larger share. We will see from here who had the larger share, and finally by how much we have found out here. So finally the last question we will solve. See, finally we have come to the last question of exercise 2.1, question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. It is the same picture and Michael took 7 by 12 hour and Vaibhav took 3 by 4 hours. Okay, that means in 12 hours he worked 7 hours and out of 4 he worked 3 hours. So who worked longer? We do not know because it is not calculated out of 12 hours for both the two. So who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So calculation is like the same as in the previous one. Michael took how many hours? 7 by 12 hour. And Vaibhav 3 by 4 hour. If it is calculated out of 12 hours for both the two, we can directly write the answer because we'll see the numerator and see who worked more. Now the denominator is not same, so we have to find out who worked longer, like solving like the previous one. 7 by 12 hour, 3 by 4 hour. It is 12 and 4. The LCM of 12 and 4 is 2 6, 2 2 is 2 3. So 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So 12 is the LCM of both the two. Now we'll do for this. LCM is 12. So 7 by 12 is 12 into 1 is 12. So in the numerator it is 7 into 1, which is 7 by 12. Okay. Now for behavior, it is 3 by 4 equals to 4 into how much is 12? 4, 3, 3 into 3, which is 9 by 12. Okay. Now you see the denominator is same. So you can directly say who worked more, who worked that is longer, which is 9 by 12, which is 3 by 4, which is Vaibhavs. So Vaibhavs worked longer. If I found out the answer for this, now by what fraction was it longer? So subtraction of this two, 9 by 12 minus of the hours worked by Michael, which is 7 by 12. Denominator same, 9 minus 7, 2. 2 by 12 we can cut. Here we'll cut 2 by 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So it is 1 by 6th is the answer for by what fraction was it longer? It is 1 by 6th. The answer is Vaibhav longer of 1 by 6th of an hour. It is calculated given in hours, so we have to write of an hour. So I hope all the questions of 2.1, exercise 2.1 is clear to you. If you have anything to say, put it down in the comment section below. And until the next video, take care and goodbye.